Abacus is one of the popular calculating methods which helps to improve arithmetic and cognitive skills of children. It is an easy way to learn mathematical concepts of place value and simple addition and subtraction. So here I am Bhavna, and today we are going to know how we can do these concepts with this abacus from KPL Learning.
This kit is in different formats. We have open frame with 2 rods with 10 beads each in 2 different colors, 3 rods with 10 beads each in 3 different colors, 4 rods with 10 beads each in 4 different colors, and in 5 rods we have 2 variants, one with 10 beads each in 5 different colors and the other in closed frame with 9 beads in each unit. This is abacus of 2 rods. One rod is for ones and one for tens with beads of 2 different colors. We can assign any one color to any rod. Assigning single color for each unit helps the child recognizing the number and the concept with more clarity. Here I am using blue color beads for ones unit and orange color beads for tens unit. One bead in one's rod represents digit 1. So I put one blue bead here. 2 beads in one's rod represents digit 2. Similarly, we can represent digits 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like this. Now in each rod we can have 9 digits. So when we add one more to 9, it becomes 10. And 10 ones is 110. 10 is written as 1010. So 1 bead in tens and no beads in one's rod. So I take all beads out from here and there are no beads in one's rod. I am putting one orange bead in tens rod. This becomes 10, that is 10. Now I put one bead in one's rod. Number formed is 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 is represented by 2 beads in tens rod and 0 beads in ones rod, and so on. If I put 2 beads in one's rod, 1, 2 and 5 beads in tens rod, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number is formed? Yes, 5 to 52. Now I add 2 beads in one's rod, 1, 2 and 2 in tens rod, 1, 2. We have 4 in ones and 7 in tens. So number formed is 7, 4, 74. How many beads should I add to 74 so that I get the number 86? In one's rod I have 4 beads. To make it 6, I will add 2 more beads. 1, 2. In tens rod I have 7 beads. To make it 8, I will add 1 more bead. So I added 12 beads to 74 to make it 86. Now let me take away 1 bead from one's rod and 4 beads from tens rod. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us count how many are left. We are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads in one's rod and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads in tens rod. So the number formed is 4, 5, 45. 86 minus 41 is 4, 5, 45. Let us add 54 in 45 and see what happens. So I add 4 beads in one's rod. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 beads in tens rod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 9 beads in tens rod and 9 beads in ones rod. So number formed is 9999. Add one more to ones rod. It becomes 10. 10 ones is 110. So all these 10 beads of ones are replaced by 1 bead of tens. Now, what do? I add another rod of hundreds. All these 10 beads of tens are replaced by 1 bead of hundreds. That is, 10 tens is 1 hundreds. Number formed is 1, 0, 0, 100. If I put 2 beads in hundreds rod, 1, 2, 5 beads in tens rod, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 beads in ones rod, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number formed is 256. We have 3 beads in hundreds rod, 5 beads in tens rod, 6 beads in ones rod. So the number formed is 356. So added 100 to 256 to make it 356. I will take away 2 beads from hundreds rod. 1, 2. 2 beads from tens rod. 1, 2. And 2 beads from ones rod. 1, 2. How many beads are left in each rod? 1, 3, 4. And we saw 356 minus 222 is 134. We are left with 1 bead in hundreds rod, 3 beads in tens rod and 4 beads in ones rod. Number formed is 134. We can perform similar activities with 4 and 5 rods abacus respectively, depending on the requirement. It helps in comparison of numbers, reinforcement of place value, improving memory, mental math ability and concentration. It builds confidence, enhances listening skills, develops logical and analytical thinking skills. Keep practicing and happy learning.